Hello, my name is Mr. Johnson. I am the second year biology teacher here at AIS Saigon. And today we are going to do a kidney dissection. Hi. Today we're going to do a dissection of the kidney.
Yay!
We're going to have Victoria take the tissue sample. So right now she's cutting through the cortex and the medulla of the kidney. And we're going to place a small sample on the slide. So under the microscope, we're going to be looking at some microstructures such as the nephron. From the tissue sample, we can see that the renal artery is leading into the glomerulus and into the Bowman's capsule right here. And then it's moving on into the nephron. Thank you for watching our experiment today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.